Yes, ma Agastya.
Ma'am, that 3 pages are same on there, ma'am. Week 1 notes.
I have sent 3 pages.
Yes, ma'am.
No, not one is complete this thing. You got 3 pages, huh? Okay. Can you read out once what it
Hmm?
have you written?
No, ma'am. Today
You
I
will.
will send you one.
Okay. Yeah, I've given what is a video? One question, different components of movie maker and some tools, quick access toolbar, storyboard, preview pane that I have given. Yes, 3 pages I think. Okay, done.
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
I told you to home page number 7 also. I think I told you to do. Nobody did it. Either I told you if you are not able to do it, take some pics from your old newspapers or magazines or whatever it is. Select a topic and collect the images, pictures, and determine the order in which they will appear in the movie. Some movie clips you might be getting from newspapers or magazines, right? Search it and paste it and post me fast. Page number 7, section C, everyone. Yes, now coming to adding photos, audios, and videos. Now, how to make a movie using all these? There are two ways to add photos and videos. Go to the home tab, click the add videos and photos button. You will see a browse window appear. Here you can select the pictures and videos and click the open button. You can also click here to browse for videos and photos link on the storyboard pane to view the browse window. Sequencing your images and videos. Now that you have inserted the elements, you can reorder them by dragging each thumbnail into the correct position on the storyboard. Adding sounds. To add music or sound, go to the home tab, click the add music button. You will see a browse window appear from which you can select the music files and click the open button. You can also record your own audio using the sound recorder and insert that file in your movie, but you need to select that file from the browse window. From the project tab, you can make the video fit to the music. That is, the length of the video will get adjusted to the length of the music by clicking the fit to music option. You can adjust the audio properties such as fade in, fade out, type, setting the start and endpoint, etc. To play the movie, let us now play your movie from preview pane. Click the play button. You will see your movie playing. You can also view it in the full screen mode by clicking the preview full screen icon button. You will notice that the movie is just a simple slideshow with the music playing in the background. You still need to give it some effects which will make your movie more attractive, means adding animations. Now that the images and videos are added and are in order and background music has also been added, we need to add some effects. To apply transitions, select an element, photo or video, go to the animations. You can see some of the transition effects under the transition group. Click to apply the effect you want to the selected photo or video. If you wish to apply the same transition effect to all the elements, you can click to, the apply to all button, or else you can repeat the same procedure by selecting another photo or video. Similarly, we can also add the pan and zoom effect. Using pan and zoom effect, we can make the images or videos slide in any direction or zoom in, zoom out, giving your final movie a natural look. To apply pan and zoom, select an element, photo or video. Go to the animations tab. You can see some of the pan and zoom effects under the pan and zoom group. Click to apply any effect you want to the selected photo or video. To apply visual effects, everything is given ma title, caption and credit. To add title, caption and credit, select edit tab and choose title, caption. Okay, this all we will do it practically. Adding the title that will be displayed at the beginning of the movie. Default text should be erased and appropriate text should be typed. Adding a caption on an image that will be displayed with the image. Go to the frame on which you want to add caption. Pause the video and select caption from the edit tab. Adding the credits that will be displayed at the end of the movie. Default text should be erased and appropriate text should be typed. And how to save the movie maker file. While working with the movie maker, you can save your file for further use. The file is saved as a project. Once the movie is complete, you can save this file as a movie for planning it anywhere. Click the File tab, select the Save Project as option. A browse window will appear. Type a name for the project in the file name box. Click the Save button. Right now, we will be Yes, ma. How to first of all, before going to the before to create a movie, first of all you need to have the pictures relevant to that movie, right? Then song, audio or song related to that movie, right? And order in which you want them to be visible. Now I will share you one small which I have done by myself. నువ్వే 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 నువ్వుంటే చాలుగా మరీ వరం కోరే పనేమి లేదుగా ఎడారి దారిలో ఎదురై వానగా తనంత తానుగా Yes, have you seen this? Yes, everybody. Yeah, and Divishi, you are enjoying. Asma, this is your Windows Movie Maker, right? Everyone. So first of all, what you have to do is adding photos, audios, and videos. So how to add videos and photos? Either you can click on this. Here it is there on the storyboard pan. So if we click on this, like how you will do your PowerPoint presentations or whatever, you know, right? That PPTs. In the same way, you can add videos, audios, everything. But in PPTs, we'll have only audio, no video. So this is like both. Yeah. If I click on this, it will show the browser window to add videos and photos. Means you have that should be already available in your folder or whatever it is, right? You can save it on the desktop, some folders you can use. So it will ask you the location where from where you want to get it into the movie maker. So that position location it will ask. From there you can add photos or videos or music also. Similarly, you can also download music, you can also download images, anything you can download and keep it available already in your folder or whatever it is. Then when once you browse, I mean click on the add by this thing videos or audios, it will ask for that location where you have already saved, so that you can select and you can open that whatever it is that it will come and fit into this movie maker. Clear everyone? So I'll open, where is mine? See, this is my video which I have done. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pictures I have chosen. So it is, the extension is WLMP. So whenever we save a movie maker, the file extension is what? WLMP is the file extension of this. Okay. Now here also you can see. నువ్వే 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 నువ్వుంటే చాలు is the preview pane where you can see your movie in a small screen. If you want full screen, you can click this preview full screen F11. So it will show in the big screen.
ఎడారి దారిలో ఎదురై వానగా తనంత తానుగా
Right? So like this, you can add a number of photos, okay, and videos or whatever it is, right? So how to give animations and all that. So suppose you have added the pictures. First of all is adding the pictures, right? And once you have added, like you can also change their positions. And if you don't, means suppose there are 10 photos, and if you don't want the picture which is in 9th position to be in that, you want that to be shown first, so you can just drag and place it in the first, like this, so it will come first. So like this, if you want to change the positions of the pictures, you can change as you wish. Just drag and place it wherever you want to place it. Okay. And how to apply animations, or how to add sounds, or how to add this thing, visual effects, everything like same as you do for your PPTs or whatever you have done. Yeah, first we'll select the image. So I am selecting this image, go for animations. So it will show these are the transitions, and these are the pan and zoom. I told you how you like. These are the different types of transitions. You can just, very little are there in the animations, right? So this is applied to all, means it will apply the same animation will be applied to all the pictures. If you don't want that, only for single picture you want that, you can also apply to a single picture, whatever the animation. Now these are the visual effects. Some visual effects are there. How you want that to be? Like this. These are some visual effects. Just select the image first, then choose any one among these. Obviously that will be affected to that picture, right? Now project fit to music means whatever the music, if the music is of 30 seconds but the images are very less, what it will do, how much time the music is there, that much the it will be fit.
నువ్వే 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 నువ్వుంటే చాలుగా మరీ వరం కోరి పనేమి లేదుగా ఎడారి దారిలో ఎదురై వానగా తనంత తానుగా కదిలొచ్చి కానుగా.
Yeah, that's it. I'm writing. Take out your course books, everyone. First of all, writing. It's unit 4. ICT Movie Maker. What is that? Using dash, you can blur the image, make the image black and white, and apply different filters and tone. That is visual effects. You can dash your movie to SkyDrive, publish. The dash can be dragged forward or backward to view the video. It is scrub. The small arrow in between the play and pause button, that is called scrub. Credits adds text at the end of the video. Like the end we will say na movie. So that is nothing but credits. Coming to match the following. A2, what is that? 4. That is full screen. Browse for photos or videos. 1. This is second. So next one you have to write it in your notes, which I'll be telling tomorrow, including the notes. To apply transition, click to apply the effect. You would, okay, go to the animations tab. You can see some of the transition effects. Section step 3, select an element. First is step 1. Okay. Esma completed all.
Yes, ma'am.
The same thing I'll share in MCB. And one more what I will like, that is homework task sheet, right? Task sheet I have to share.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Both I will share in MCB. This is classwork. Okay, ma. Done. Continue in next class tomorrow. Okay. Bye.